Tell Mommy. Tell Mommy, what is this letter?
C.
Okay. Tell Mommy, what is this letter?
B. E.
E. That's right. What is this letter?
C.
A C. Good. What is this letter? Did you forget?
W.
It's a H.
W.
Oh, you want Mom to draw W? Okay. W. Hey, what is this letter? M. What is this letter?
O.
An O. That's right. What about this one? What's that?
B.
A B. Good job. Well, hey, do you know what this? Do you know what this letter is? Let's see. How about this letter?
S.
S. Good. Well, what other letter do you know? How about this letter?
K.
Good. How about this letter?
B.
P.
P.
Good. Yeah. Good job, buddy.